Have you ever wished you could build 3D worlds with your hands? GameDraw is a 3D art tool inside Unity with SketchUp simplicity and professional features. Now it uses Meta to let you reach out and sculpt reality.
You found the existing 3D tools too expensive and difficult to use, so you just made your own instead?
Yeah. So my name is Baham James, CTO and co-founder of Mixed Dimensions. For us, it's about giving access to 3D tools that allow everyone to create 3D, because now creating 3D is a very difficult process. We started the company to be a game development studio, and we faced this issue of not being able to create 3D models because the tools are expensive as well as they are difficult to learn. So we decided to make something that will help us create the content that we want, as well as help people like us create the content that they want. So you have the simplicity of SketchUp as well as the ability to create good-looking and high-quality models with UV and optimization, like how you do in Max Online. So you can do modeling, UV editing, sculpting, optimization. We have some ready-made content that you can also download and use. We have some really cool stuff. You can actually take images and convert them to 3D. So when we first heard about Meta, and we got excited because we had this idea from a long time. So the first thing that we created with Meta in 2 days actually is the ability to sculpt in a virtual way, not like how you do in a 3D modeling program, because you only have one input, which is the mouse. But with Meta, actually, we've managed to have multiple inputs, and that is your hand, which gives you more space and more freedom to create the model you want. So you have 10 fingers that you can use. And when you compare that with what is available right now in 3D modeling and sculpting programs, you only have the mouse as input. And this is a big differentiator, because you can have this connection with a 3D model as well as this ability to have 10 inputs. You can get now the real world. You can interact with the real space, not just only a mouse and a keyboard. And we'll see what can we do with Meta in the future. So we're adding some really cool stuff. Let's say that we're adding some voxels and some animation. So currently it's available in the Unity Asset Store, but soon we will be launching on the web and other platforms. And being able to integrate what we have with Meta is really fantastic, because this allows us to take a step further in making things easier for people to use, and to have access to more control over how they create models and how they build actual things. So all what we needed actually is to install the SDK, to get the hand in front of the camera, and then to just do the collagen. And that's it. You just need to convert from a mouse and keyboard, which is in 2 days nothing. Soon we will be releasing an API, and people can use it to actually enable the players to create content within the game. I think they will be doing amazing things, because it's a new type of input that we've been imagining for a long time, and you only have been able to see that in movies, and now you can literally feel that this is coming and this can be achieved. For example, giving this power to people to be able to create 3D models, I imagine how you can give the same power to a huge amount of things other than 3D. So let your imagination take you the place you want.